Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your HubStaff account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you create or set up a team in HubStaff? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to set up a team in HubStaff anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business like I am, and you're working on various projects, you know that you have various team members that are assigned to certain types of projects. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your HubStaff account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my HubStaff account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to put together a team, what you're going to do is on the left side, click on People. Once you click on there, you're going to see this drop-down menu, and you want to click here on Teams. Okay, guys, so here is where you can go ahead and put together a team in HubStaff. So first, what you're going to do is click on this blue button, Add Team. Okay, first you want to go ahead and create the team or name the team. So usually what I will do is I'll name the team based on the types of projects that they work on. So maybe if you're running an online business, you have a team that's dedicated to search engine optimization, or maybe YouTube content. So this would be my YouTube content team. If you're running a physical business, maybe it's going to be an administrative team or a sales team. So for the purpose of this video, I'm going to go ahead and make this search engine optimization team, and you want to click on Next. Next, you want to go ahead and add the members into your team. So you just open this up and it's going to show all your team members, and you can easily just check everyone you want to add in. If you're adding everybody, if it's a general team, you can go ahead and select all. If you're missing a team member that you need to add into this team, go back and watch my other video that describes how to add a member into your HubStaff. All right, so once you've added all the team members into this team, you want to click here and add a team lead if you wish to do so. So for me, I'm going to go ahead and do that. Once they're added in as a team lead, they're going to be able to approve timesheets, approve time off, and things like that, kind of like a supervisor. All right, now you want to go ahead and click on Next. All right, next you want to go ahead and assign this team projects. So open this up, and then you can go ahead and click on the projects that they'll be working on, and then you want to click on Save. Okay, a quick second later, the page refreshes. Now you can see I've created a team here in my HubStaff. Now I can come back in here later and add team members by clicking on Actions. Also, if this team is disassembled, I can go ahead and remove the team. And now that we've added this team, we can easily jump over here to Project Management. Okay, and here is our project, and we can go ahead and click into the project. Once we're here into the project, we can go ahead and assign the team by clicking here, Edit Members, and up here on the top right, Teams, and then we can go ahead and assign a team. I already have the team entered because that's what we added. If not, you would just click here and then add the team and then save. Same thing when you are putting together a new project and you want to assign it to a team. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to create or put together a team inside of your HubStaff account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.